Ever feel like your kitchen is working against you? You're not alone. Meet Smart Kitchen, your new AI-powered kitchen buddy supercharged by Google's Gemini. Just scan your fridge and watch Gemini work its magic. Gemini's advanced image recognition instantly identifies and categorizes every item. It's like having a tiny robot organizer in your pocket. Gemini's predictive AI tracks expiration dates and usage patterns. No more sniff tests or mystery leftovers. Panic buying at the store? That's so last year. Gemini analyzes your inventory and eating habits to create smart shopping lists. Always know what you need. Tuck in a recipe rut? Gemini's got the cure for your cooking blues. It whips up personalized recipes based on your ingredients, dietary needs, and health goals. Got a kitchen emergency? Chat with our Gemini-powered AI assistant anytime. It's like having Gordon Ramsay in your pocket, minus the yelling. But wait, there's more. Gemini's smart predictions help you slash food waste by up to 20%. That's a win for your wallet and the planet. Health conscious? Gemini's got your back. Suggests balanced meals, and even helps manage dietary restrictions or allergies. The result? Healthier eating, less stress, and more time for what really matters. All powered by Gemini's cutting-edge AI, making your fridge smarter, your diet healthier and easier. And your data? Gemini ensures Fort Knox-level security. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen game? Download Smart Kitchen now. Smart Kitchen, powered by Gemini, fueled by you. Don't forget to smash that like button and vote for us.